it grips well. Guys, our truck is here. Weather is fine. We are using winter tires and have V8 inside this big truck, big boy. Let's go and test it out. How is this X5 E53 with 309 horsepower? Why so many horsepower? Because it's a 4.4 with a remap and some goodies from 4.6. You can watch our other videos explaining about that. This is the X5. Let me put this head strap and let's go and drive in manual mode and or sport mode. I like manual mode, so we'll go and proceed in manual mode. Okay guys, put the seat belt always. Put on direct sport mode and we go up. And I'll put on petrol. We'll burn precious petrol for that test. Full throttle guys, manual. I'll leave the window open. Let's see how is this car on the turns. DSC is trying to help. Let's turn it off. Yes, much better like this. Let's feel the brakes. When you press the pedal, it actually regains again. You will see I'm reaching the limit and the front goes outside of the road. That's not good guys, that's not BMW feeling. I don't know how is your X-Drive car, but if it's like this, not good. Full throttle on my highway. Little brakes here. Full throttle again. It's very stable. Yeah, it transfers some weight, but still can be driven as a sports car. It has big brakes, really. But it's a pity wasting so much material to stop on the corners. Really a pity. So much brake pad material. Let's see that corner guys. Yeah, it grips well. Bad turn. The brakes will be red guys, I promise you. You lose the front end from time to time. After all, you're driving a house. But it's nimble. I have to say, I'm amazed. It's good. And it has V8 power, and the brakes are. Let's cool down a little bit the car and the brakes. You have oil temperature here. Make sure it doesn't go off on above 100 degrees. It's not very healthy for the oil. Bad turn for heavy cars guys. Here the angle is not good. It touches the front, that's the thing I don't like. But after all, when you hit the pedal and the power goes to the rear and it really fixes the things, that's good. But initially, oh, you see here, it loses grip. There's a little downhill. So not use too much brakes. And here we stop guys and turn around to make one more session on that nice track. They actually use it for the rally. There was a rally recently here, so we continue the rally. Second gear, full throttle, it returned me to first. Hit the rev limiter. Third gear. It's insane going in that car on that road. Really insane, guys. Let's see that turn. It's a really bad turn. Yeah, we're losing grip, you see. Okay, let's see that turn. Yeah, not very good on sharp turns. That was a bad turn. You see, the cars can handle it much better throwing the rear end, but the X actually understeers. Doesn't like very sharp turns. Normal turns, cool. You feel very nice on them. But as to the very sharp ones, not good, guys. And the problem is that you don't know what's behind the corner, so always we should keep a little bit more safe, so that at least we can react. Whoa. When I push the pedal sometimes in the corner, I feel I'm getting out of the game. Second gear. Down and throttle. Guys, I started driving like this already. I have indicator that my fuel is low, so imagine how much fuel I already burned for that short distance. Yeah, you can play with that thing, guys. You can play, really. But I'm really bad for that brake pad material, which is wasted. And it's good to have a manual. At least you have some V8 brake power, which is really something that you shouldn't underestimate. And here is the really bad corner. I'll put first gear here. And guys, that was driving on this nice track road. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'll put now on LPG because my petrol is running low from that session. Of course I can do this on LPG, but let's drive the car the way it was meant to be. At least in sport mode we should drive it like it was created for, with the fuel it was created for. So guys, subscribe to our channel, watch the city driving. It was the previous video. Watch some review of that car if you want, or some other driving videos. I'll go with my 36 soon on that road to see how is it. But I really like how this thing is driven here. I don't like how the front end loses grip when you push the pedal and you go with a higher speed. You loses, and it's some kind more unpredictable, like you with the rear wheel drive, you know the rear wheel throw, but here you don't expect that behavior from a BMW car. And yeah, when you push the pedal, it sends the power to the back wheels, and it actually really saves you in some situation, turning really nice. But after all, that car is not made to be driven often like this. However, look at now, I am on D and the car continues to use sport mode. I think the car understands that I'm a crazy motherfucker. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, put the notification on, stay healthy and tune for our next video. Bye guys.